Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve ban on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve ban on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to your Play Store, you can search about CapCut. If you'll find here update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.